rubbing Rupert Raceway. Did another glory chaser. Stripped it down. Still don't like the color on that one, so I'm still gonna repaint her, but yeah. And this one actually has a steering wheel. This one, oops. So yeah. Sorry if it's with the crummy little cell phone. It's all I have right now. Wish I had the money that my family wrongfully took from me. And I'll be able to help myself and other people. Guess others didn't understand that. Selfish kid helped mess me out of a settlement that was rightfully mine because they took a jealous fit about it when I was married. And prior to that, took a selfish trip on the woman who I was physically attracted to.